So which package do you want to start with?
The first
Okay,
one.
ma'am. This is Farabi and Mr. Sakib and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work.
Yes.
Okay. So we found basically some on-page SEO problem on your video. You are not using SEO-friendly title, you are not using SEO-friendly descriptions, and you are not using high-volume rank tags. So if you want, we can fix all of the on-page SEO problem. And when we fix that problem, sorry, when we fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow. So if you are
Mhm.
interested, then we'll go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations and it costs $120 and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300 and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So now it's your choice which package you want to start with.
Excuse me again, please.
So which package do you want to start with?
The first one.
Okay, no problem. You take our starter package for $120 and for 10 videos, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And our payment system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work, no problem. And for getting payment, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer also. So if you do not
Mhm.
know how to pay through this payment gateway, no problem. Our team member Sakib will guide you. So for starting the work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our site. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another one. You just send your 10 video links to us, then we'll optimize from our site and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste to your videos by yourself. So which method do you want to start with?
The second one.
Okay, no problem. No problem. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send his payment details to you. You just pay 50% advance and send you 10 video links, which video you want to do SEO. Then after
Mhm.
paying, we start for you. And it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel because we believe in relationship. If we provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. So
Of course.
yeah, so we believe in long-term relationship, and it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel. And we know all the rules and regulations of YouTube. As you see, my play button is also hanging behind me. So
Mhm.
thanks for your time. After finishing the meeting, you just send your 10 video links, and our team member will send his payment details to you.
Mhm. Great. Mhm.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So thanks for your time again, and bye for now. Hope to work with you for a long time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.